Hey guys, so I have another lunch for Brandon. Today we're using the Planet Box. This one is the Rover, and we have here a magnet switch out from the last time. This one is a space theme with some shuttles. So inside today's lunch, I have for him a turkey and cheese sandwich. I used a Hawaiian slider roll here because it has a little sweetness to the bread and he likes that. I also have some lettuce cut up, and he only likes the crunchy part of the lettuce, so that's usually like the bottom part and not the leafy part. I have here some carrots as well, and these are cut into fish, and so I have a fish pick here for the sandwich. I also have some cheddar cheese chips, Pringles, and then I have mandarin orange here, and then another little treat are goldfish pretzels that I have here, and some M&Ms. This is actually from his little Monster Trail mix, but these are the remainders of what's left over from that, and then a bottle of water. So that's what he has for today. We'll see what he brings back when he comes home from school. Okay, so we are back from school, and let's see what Brandon ate. All right, so, okay, his sandwich. Looks like he took it apart. He ate the meat, he ate one side of the bread, some of the cheese, and yeah, I don't know what's going on here. The orange, he ate about half. It was actually a lot in the orange. Here's a carrot. He ate maybe one carrot, a little bit of lettuce. It looks like he did not get to his treat at all because that's all still here, and he had a few Pringles. So he didn't finish all of it. We're probably gonna have to work on maybe the quantity. I think maybe I'm giving him too much, or we'll have to check with the teacher to see if he's talking too much. But you know what? When you have kids, you really don't know what you're gonna have. And I wouldn't be too worried if they come home with a lot of food in it, because for Brandon at least, when he gets home, he will now sit here and eat whatever is left as his afternoon snack. So I wouldn't freak out too much, guys, if you are overpacking and the kid doesn't eat. It's a little upsetting, yes, because you spent the time to make everything, but you got to figure out like what is best for your child. So I think this is okay. We'll have to see again how tomorrow goes, and then I might start cutting back for next week. Brandon, what was your favorite part of of the lunch? The Pringles, of course. Every kid's gonna go for that. So, anyways, have a good day, guys, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.